Can we place irrational numbers like root 2, root 3, root 5 on number line exactly? Irrational numbers, those are never ending. That means non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. So how can we place an irrational number exactly on a number line? Can we do it? Yes, we can do that. So that is what we are going to discuss in today's session, class 9 and 10 number system, irrational number on number line. And this is the fourth class on number systems. Hi, Debashish again from Devs Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Devs Learning Hub and my Facebook page to Devs Learning Hub. So see this session till the end of this video. So first let's understand how to place root 5. If you understand this one, then any irrational number you can place on number line. Okay, now let's look into this picture. Don't concentrate the entire picture once. जैसे मैं बोल रहा हूँ step by step. So मान लीजिए आपका लाइन नंबर लाइन जो है x and x dot and O is the origin or in between. Okay. So from O you go 2 units up to A. OA equals to 2. OA equals to 2 units. From A you draw a perpendicular on OA and go up one unit upward. So 1 unit vertically 90 degree. So AB is 1 unit, OA is 2 unit you have placed, and you have drawn one perpendicular OAB, right? And AB, length of AB, that is 1 unit. That means triangle OAB, this is a rectangle triangle and OB is the hypotenuse. So OB equals to, from rectangle triangle OAB, OB equals to hypotenuse equals to root over OA square plus AB square. Right? So that is what OA is 2 and AB is 1. That means root over 2 square plus 1 square, that is equals to root over 5. So this is equals to root over 2 square plus 1 square, that is equals to root over 5. So now since OB is root over 5, so अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Assume O is the center of a circle. So if we draw an arc centering O with a length OV which will intersect the axis at point C. So if we are drawing an arc means we are drawing a circle. That means OB is the radius. In that case, when it will intersect here OC, this is also OC equivalent to OB, equal to OB. That means OB equals to OC. So if OB equals to OC, that is equals to root 5. That means the arc where it is intersecting this x dot, that is what the value of root 5 because OB is root 5. Got it? So ये root 5 irrational number है. तो क्या हम लोग क्या किया है? पहले जो बेस है वो बेस को हम लोग ड्रॉ किया है, लेकिन कैसे आपको पता चलेगा जो रूट 5 जो है उसको 2 और 1 में ब्रेक करोगे? दैट इज व्हाट द ट्रिक्स यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. जो भी रैशनल नंबर देगा उसको ये इसका हिसाब से जाएगा. जो एक रेक्टेंगल ट्रायंगल मेरे को ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, जो हाइपोटेन्यूज का लेंथ होगा द इरेशनल नंबर. सो वो इरेशनल नंबर जो हाइपोटेन्यूज है, अगर उसको रूट इरेशनल नंबर इफ वी एज्यूम, देन वी ब्रेक द परपेंडिकुलर एंड बेस विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू दिस Pythagoras theorem accordingly so that we can place it on the number line. So if it is root 5, what we are doing? We are breaking like this. Root over 5 equals to root over 2 square plus 1 square. So 2 और 1 ये तो आप ग्राफ पेपर में प्लेस कर सकते हो, लोकेट कर सकते हो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो 2 और 1 जब हो गया तो हाइपोटेन्यूज निकल गया. हाइपोटेन्यूज निकल गया तो हाइपोटेन्यूज से आर्क हम लोग जो ड्रॉ करेंगे वो जहां पे ये एक्स डॉट को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे वही जो इरेशनल नंबर है, दैट इज द लोकेशन प्लॉट ऑन द नंबर लाइन. Now somebody is asking to find out root over 6. Root over 6 मतलब root over 6 equals to root over 5 whole square plus 1. That means you need to find out first root over 5. तो root over 5 तो आपको पता है कैसे निकालना पड़ेगा. तो root over 5 जब निकल गया, अब क्या करना पड़ेगा? ये जो OB is root over 5. If OB is root over 5, then again the same process. You need to know the base and from there you need to draw the perpendicular. So OB जो base है इधर से हम लोग perpendicular draw करेंगे, that is and that perpendicular with the length of 1 unit because root over 5 it is there already. right? So root over OB is root over 5, BD is 1. That means what is the value of OD? OD is the hypotenuse of the rectangle triangle OBD. So now if we break OD, OD means this is the hypotenuse. What is the rectangle triangle? OBD. In the rectangle triangle, because we have drawn the perpendicular BD on this hypotenuse of root 5, on root 5, right? So for this OBD, root 5 already you know, right? Root 5 and then it is BD, that is 1 unit. So OD equals to root over OB square plus BD square. That means root over root 5 whole square plus 1 square, that is equals to root over 6. That means you know OD equals to 6. एकदम मैकेनिकल स्टेप है, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द जियोमेट्री. सो अगर आपको ये हाइपोटेन्यूज इरेशनल नंबर निकल गया तो ये तो अभी नंबर लाइन का ऊपर नहीं है, इसको तो नंबर लाइन का ऊपर प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. कैसे करेंगे? सो यू आर ड्रॉइंग एन आर्क centering O with the length OD and it will intersect at XX dot, that is at point E. This is what your point E. And what is this value? That means OD equals to OE. So this is the plot of, this is the point root over 6 on the number line. Got it? Very very simple. But mostly आपका एग्जाम में ये दो स्टेप में कुछ नहीं देने वाला है मोस्ट, बट इफ इवन इफ इट कम्स देन ऑल्सो यू शुड नो दैट. अगर आपको बोल रहे हैं जो रूट ओवर 2 प्लॉट रूट ओवर 2 ऑन नंबर लाइन, कैसे हम लोग ब्रेक करेंगे? दैट मीन्स हाइपोटेन्यूज होगा रूट ओवर 2, मतलब जो बेस होगा दैट इज 1 and perpendicular also that is 1. So root over 1 square plus 1 square equals to root over 2, right? Root over 2 equals to root over 1 square plus 1 square, that is equals to root over 2. तो अगर आपको root over 2 ये उस टाइम क्या होगा? OA equals to 1, AB equals to 1 and OB will be root over 2, and then you will draw the arc centering O with and radius OB, then OC will be root over 2. So root over 3 अगर देगा, root over 2 हो जाने के बाद root over 3 का मतलब क्या है? root over 3 का मतलब root over of root 2 square plus 1 square. root over 3 means that is equals to root over 2 whole square plus 1 square, that is equals to root over 3. तो अगर root over 2 निकल गया root over 3 निकल जाएगा, क्योंकि root over 2 से हम लोग परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे, जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे root over 6 का हिसाब से root over 5 से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ किया था BD. अगर root over 7 बोलेगा तो इधर से हम लोग और एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे जो जिसका लेंथ होगा 1 यूनिट. सो देन दिस हाइपोटेन्यूज दिस F OF will be root over 6 whole square plus root over 1 square, that is equals to this root over 7. That means OF equals to root over 7, and then again you will draw an arc. Got it? So most students, they understand and remember irrational number, but they are not able to understand exactly how can we place an irrational number on number line. So this is how you can do that, right? समझ में आ गया ना? So what I think you have understood it completely. Any irrational number, even though it is never ending and it is non-repeating number, but still we can place it on number line exactly. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to have the notification of such video again and again, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Devs Learning Hub and follow my Facebook page Devs Learning Hub too.